Justin Baldoni's lawyer just got sued for malpractice. The "it ends with us" legal battle intensifies. After Blake Lively sued Justin Baldoni for assault, Baldoni countered with a $400 million lawsuit, escalating on-set drama into legal warfare. On June 9th, Baldoni's claim was dismissed. Now, his lawyer Bryan Freedman faces a malpractice suit. "It ends with us" isn't the first time Justin Baldoni and his lawyer have crossed paths. Previously, they were adversaries in a 2021 case where Bryan Freedman represented Travis Flores, a man with cystic fibrosis. Flores claimed Justin's 5 feet apart was derived from his original script. Bryan Freedman, now representing Justin, says the case was resolved without liability for Justin. Recently, Clement Sweary, Travis's husband, sued alleging malpractice and defamation, claiming confidential information was inappropriately shared, suggesting a shift to a healthier client. Judge Louis J. Lyman dismissed Justin Baldoni's lawsuit against Blake Lively, Ryan Reynolds, and their publicist, as well as his defamation claim against the New York Times, which published a story claiming Baldoni orchestrated a smear campaign. According to the judge, the Times merely reported available evidence without bias. Although Baldoni could refile by June 23rd, his initial claims were deemed baseless. Lively's team now seeks attorney's fees, treble, and punitive damages against Baldoni and others for this abusive litigation. Justin Baldoni's lawyer, Bryan Freedman, previously called Blake Lively's amended complaint underwhelming, asserting it contains insubstantial hearsay from unnamed sources who don't support her claims. Freedman emphasized Justin's transparency in providing real-time documents and video that refute manipulated media narratives. Meanwhile, Kevin Goldberg, a First Amendment expert, cautions against Baldoni's use of his website to leak personal messages, suggesting it might backfire. He finds it unusual, especially after filing a defamation lawsuit, doubting it will aid Baldoni legally while potentially harming his reputation. Blake Lively sued Justin Baldoni for sexual harassment and for allegedly orchestrating a smear campaign against her around the time "It Ends With Us" was released. According to rumors, Blake Lively and Taylor Swift are taking some time apart from each other after Blake called Taylor a dragon. Blake likened herself to Khaleesi, mentioning her dragons protect those she cares about. Taylor reportedly feels used and dislikes being labeled as one of these dragons. The absence of Blake at the 2025 Super Bowl fueled further speculation, yet Taylor's new song "Cancelled" suggests she remains friends with Blake and Ryan. Either way, if Blake's lawsuit is still in motion, their trial will take place as scheduled in March 2026.